Need a quick cash infusion? Maybe that dream vacation is calling, or perhaps a bill needs settling. Whatever the reason, you're eyeing your Wealthsimple account, wondering how to get your hands on that sweet, sweet cash. But before you hit that withdraw button, a crucial question arises: how much is this going to cost me? Contextual build-up, 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Wealthsimple has become a popular platform for Canadians to invest their hard-earned money. They offer a variety of features, from self-directed investing to automated investing, all designed to help you grow your wealth over time. But what about when you need to access that money? Unlike some traditional investment accounts with hefty exit fees, Wealthsimple prides itself on being transparent and commission-free. However, there are a few nuances to consider when it comes to withdrawal fees. The good news: free standard withdrawals, 1 to 130. Let's start with the good news. The good news is, for the most part, withdrawing money from Wealthsimple is completely free. That's right, if you're willing to wait a few business days, you can transfer your funds from your Wealthsimple account to your linked bank account without any additional charges. This applies to both registered accounts, like RRSPs and TFSAs, and non-registered accounts. So, if you're okay with the transfer taking a bit of time, you can avoid any unnecessary fees. The not-so-good news: instant withdrawals come at a cost, 1:30 to 2 o'clock. But what if you need the cash right away? Maybe you have an unexpected expense or simply can't wait a few days. Well, Wealthsimple does offer an instant withdrawal option. However, there is a catch: a 2.5% fee is applied to the total withdrawal amount. That means, if you're pulling out $1,000, you'll be charged $25 for the privilege of having the money immediately deposited into your linked Visa debit card. FX fees, the hidden cost of foreign currency, $2 to $2.45. Now, for those of you who invest in U.S.-listed securities or have a USD account on Wealthsimple, there's another potential fee to be aware of: the foreign exchange, FX, fee. Whenever you convert between Canadian dollars, CAD, and US dollars, USD, you will be charged a fee. This can happen when you fund a USD account, withdraw from one, or even trade US-listed stocks and ETFs without a USD account. While the exact FX fee isn't explicitly stated, it's typically a small percentage added onto the mid-market rate. The bottom line: plan your withdrawals wisely, 2:45 to 3 o'clock. So, the bottom line is this: Wealthsimple offers free standard withdrawals for those who can wait a few business days. If you need the money instantly, be prepared to pay a 2.5% fee. And for those dabbling in USD investments, watch out for those FX fees. The key takeaway? Plan your withdrawals wisely. If you know you might need access to your cash soon, consider keeping a buffer amount in your linked bank account to avoid instant withdrawal fees. Outro, 3 to 3:05. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy investing, and remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your hard-earned money.